A rumor that they're going on tour.
Fleetwood Mac is going on tour again. The tickets for the tour has started going on sale, and you can go see Fleetwood Mac in a stadium near you for $782. For the first time in, I think, maybe this makes me less of a Fleetwood Mac fan. I don't know. For the first time in, I think, 15 years, I will not be seeing Fleetwood Mac in concert. I got the pre-release ticket password for the pre-sale from Reprise Records. Got all excited. The tickets went on sale yesterday morning at 10 o'clock for the internet pre-sale. I put in my password at 9:55 a.m. The best tickets I could get was row 37 for $150. I'm sorry, I've seen the show. They're probably going to be doing the same set list that they've been doing for the past 3 tours because they don't have a new album coming out.
And Stevie's going to try to do the same spin.
Stevie cannot hit the notes that she used to sing. I am not paying $150 to hear Dreams again. Sorry.
It's cheaper to see Elton John and Billy Joel.
Well, Elton John and Billy Joel, honestly, they're another act that, personally, I love Elton John and Billy Joel, but Billy Joel lost it after An Innocent Man, and Elton John lost it after Blue Moves. I don't enjoy them as much as I used to. Fleetwood Mac, I'm sorry, $150 to go see you? No. I'll wait till Lindsey Buckingham goes on tour again, because I'll tell you what, the man can deliver one hell of a live show, and they're easier to get good seats to.
Now, I remember, because you and I had this conversation earlier, now that was just for regular tickets. Now, it's being done by Live Nation, if you all do not know. Live Nation is owned by Clear Channel Media, which is all the radio stations in everywhere. And they have gone out and they've bought arenas. Like here in Cincinnati, they own Riverbend, they own Taft, they own, I believe, Bogarts. And Live Nation it teams up with certain bands, and they offer what is called a VIP package. Now, with KISS, it was only $400, and what you got was you got a photo with the entire band. You want that backstage meet and greet where you got the photo taken. Now, you don't take the photo yourself. It's taken for you, and then you get an email with where you can download it. You get a bunch of signed stuff, backstage pass. Kind of cool. You're telling me that the Fleetwood Mac one was like way the fuck up there in price.
You can go on to fleetwoodmac.com. They've retooled the website again. I don't know who the people are who are in charge of doing their web promotion, but they seriously need to get a wake-up call. You can go on to fleetwoodmac.com and buy VIP packages for the tours all around the country, and they've got blocks of seats saved, so you can get like decent seats like in the first few rows. With that VIP package, you get good seats. You get to go backstage. That doesn't mean anything. You're just backstage. You get one picture and an autograph with Mick, and I think you get a bottle of his wine, which you can get at fucking Costco for $6.99, and that's it. And I believe they started at like $1,500 each for one ticket.
Right.
Now, once again, I'm sorry, $1,500. I want to hang out with John McVie. I want him to show me his penguin tattoo. I want Stevie to do a couple fucking twirls for me.
Right.
I want Lindsay to sit and tell me about when he was diaper training his kids. I'm sorry, $1,500. I love you, Mick. But hey. Sorry.
Not that much.
Nope. If I want to meet Mick Fleetwood that bad, I'll go stalking him on the golf courses or something.
If I want to see Mick Fleetwood that bad, I'll watch The Running Man.
Or Mr. Music.
So we're going to play some music right now. This is from the House of Blues, Cleveland, Ohio, right here on Bwana Radio.
I lost my power in this world, 'cause
fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
It was even better
really
seeing
wish I
it in
could have seen
person.
that.
One thing I want to say real quick to anybody, I know Lindsay played a lot of House of Blues this tour, which I don't really like calling it the House of Blues. I kind of like what George Carlin called it.
The House of Blues. They ought to call it the House of Lame White Motherfuckers.
Anyway, at the House of Lame White Motherfuckers, I saw that Lindsay was playing a lot of those gigs. And for anybody who, if just on the off chance, if you're going to see another show there, whether it's Lindsay or, I don't know, Hannah Montana or whatever, I want to give a little bit of insider information. I did not know this. I found this out the hard way. When you go and see a show at the House of Blues, if you go in the restaurant and eat, you get let in to the venue like 20 minutes before everybody else. It was a general admission gig, which meant you stand in line, and then as soon as you get let in, you run to the front of the stage, and we were standing outside waiting to get in, and as soon as they opened the door, my wife and I were the second people in line. We were in line for about 2 hours. As soon as we opened the door, went running in, there were about 50 motherfuckers right up on the front of the stage. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Oh, those are the people that ate at the House of Blues. I'm like, did they have VIP tickets? Nope, they just ate at the House of Blues. My wife and I were standing outside in the fucking cold for 2 hours. I would have went in and got a cheeseburger if I knew I was going to get VIP seating.
I just would have had water. Water, please.
Yeah, so if you're going to go see a show at the House of Blues, go ahead and eat something so you can get good seats.
So for Kev JB, this is Nathan Summers. We'll do this again real soon. As always, questions, comments, or concerns, gifttoscrews.com. At gmail.com. And as always, take care of yourselves, and Stevie Nicks, stop spinning.